let's accessorize my Ganpati outfit together.
Welcome to Wasting Time with Ritu GS, a series where I do and say random things while you're wasting your time scrolling on the internet.
So here's all my jewelry on my phone case and I'm putting it on my guitar, which I'm using as a literal table. Starting off with my bangles, I got these from Charminar and they match my outfit perfectly. And then I'm gonna do this cute little bangle that I got from Tanishq. It's honestly my mom's, but you know, her jewelry is my jewelry. It's time for the ring stack. So I have all these rings over here and I'm honestly gonna run through them really quickly. This again is my mom's, looks so pretty. This was a gift from a friend of mine in New York and I always wear this because it reminds me of him. This is from a thrift store in New York, in Brooklyn. It's called Evoke Vintage. It's honestly one of the first things I purchased with my salary. I have a lot of sentimental value with it. This again is my mom's ring. Basically everything, almost everything is my mom's. This flower one, I think it's so cute. Again, my mom's ring. I get a lot of compliments on this ring. This is a gift that my family gave me for my birthday, so I love this as well. Last but not least is this beautiful necklace. The final part of the look is my jhumkis that I got from Charminar. No, actually I got these from Colaba. I got these from Colaba Market. Only 100 rupees, guys. I'm very proud of them and they look so cute. So I have these two options for my slippers. I honestly don't know which one to pick. I love these pink jute because I think they're so cute. And then I have these like glitter chumki chappal. Everybody's telling me to go with these, but honestly, my heart lies in these because they're pink and they just go with the outfit. Pairing this outfit with this really cute pink Charles and Keith bag.
I'm taking it.
So another part of the outfit are my glasses because I forgot to refill my lenses and I'm literally blind without my glasses. So I will be that girl with her chashma at the function and her Indian wear, but it's fine because my glasses are still cooler than you.
Looking for my lip gloss and my liner. Looking for me, told him meet me at the diner. Got him smiling cause you know I outshine her.
Thank you for wasting your time with me. Mwah!